Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a copy of a project in Canva. So if you have a master project that you want to copy or duplicate, you can click on these three dots over here. Alright, so you can click on make a copy. And now Canva is processing a copy of your design. You can check if this is the copy file by clicking the three dots over here, and you can see this copy of. If you have this copy of, then that means this is the copy of the earlier project that you choose to make a copy from. And then you can rename your project like this, and then you can edit another version of the file like that. So that's how you create a copy of a project in Canva. It's easy and you can just do it in your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel guys, and I will see you in another tutorial videos from this channel. Bye.